Oh no.
Well, hopefully you haven't found yourself in a situation where you were stuck in your chicken coop, because when you design one like we designed ours, you thought of everything but a fail-safe for the latch. Today we're going to show you how we are going to no longer find ourselves stuck in our chicken coop. I'm Steven, and welcome to Oak Haven Homestead.
First thing we gotta do is drill a hole so the wire can go inside.
Go ahead. Whoop, 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 whoop. All right, good. That's good. Pull it out. Pull the trigger and pull it out. There we go. Great. Now that KZ got our hole drilled, we're going to stick a piece of wire through. We took a piece of ground wire off some Romex we had in the shop. We're using coppers. It'll last, what we think will last a lot longer than a piece of steel wire, tire wire that we put on here. We know it's still going to corrode, but all we're going to do is stick it through the hole like so, and then we're just going to loop it in the eye of the latch right here. Now all we're going to do with this is we'll bend this around here, and then I'm going to take my pliers and I'm going to pull it all the way around just to secure it up, and I make a little loop in it right there. So if you come over here and you can see the loop on the wire, so then when we find ourselves locked in, boom, now we pull, open the latch.
Let me try.
Like that. Go ahead.
Huh?
You want to try? Get in.
Okay. Shut me.
Oh no! And voila!
Ah! And now I won't get locked up in the chicken coop anymore.
So we provided you a simple solution for potentially a big problem, especially if you're at home by yourself and you didn't take your phone with you when you went in the chicken coop and it got locked. Like, I'm not talking about from personal experience with that. So anyhow, we hope this helped you. If you have a different design or another unique way that you keep yourself from getting locked in the coop, please drop it in the comments, like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.